Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Windows Forms or WPF project and adding a tab control from the toolbox. Make sure the control is named clearly so you reference it in code, and set dock to fill if you want full area tabs. Once placed, add 2 or 3 tab pages in the designer and give each a descriptive text and name. This gets you immediate navigation containers. Now prepare to place controls inside each tab and wire up basic events before adding dynamic behavior. Next, populate each tab with the controls your user needs and set sensible tab index values for keyboard navigation. Then implement the tab control. Selected index changed WinForms or selection changed WPF event to react when the user switches tabs. Inside that handler, load heavy data on demand, refresh UI state, or run validation for the tab being left. By loading content lazily, you improve startup time. Make sure to unsubscribe handlers if you create them dynamically to avoid memory leaks. Finally, implement runtime tab management so you can add, rename, or close tabs programmatically using tab pages. Add /remove or items methods. Persist the selected index in user settings and restore it when the app launches to keep context. Also ensure that controls inside removed tabs are disposed properly. If something goes wrong, check for null references and event subscriptions. A common fix is to unsubscribe events before removing a tab and verify selected index bounds to avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.